Hello class 10th. Now let us see the last part of the polynomial test solution. हमारा जो पार्ट 1 कंप्लीट हो चुका था, अब बच्चों की क्वेरीज आई थी सेकेंड पार्ट के लिए दें. सी द सेकेंड पार्ट. ओके, जिन लोगों ने सेकेंड पार्ट नहीं देखा है वो ध्यान से प्रीवियस वीडियो में देखें. 10th क्लास. And now the question number 9th. Up to 8 we discussed. See the question number 9. Question number 9 was that he formed the polynomial having the zeros. Okay. Having the zeros 3 plus root 5 and 3 minus root 5. Two zeros are 3 plus root 5 and 3 minus root 5. To form the polynomial, so you know the formula x square minus alpha plus beta sum and product. X square minus sum of the zeros plus product. Now x square alpha and beta are 3 plus root 5 plus 3 minus root 5 x plus 3 plus root 5 and 3 minus root 5. Okay, clear? So this will be x square root 5 cancel minus 6x plus 10th class, you know the a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. A square minus b square means क्या होगा आपको पता है? 3 square minus root 5 square. So this will be 9 minus 5, 4. Okay, so we can write directly 4. So this will be your answer of question number 9. Okay, but listen student, you must watch the questions also if you are not having the questions. Okay, now see the 10th question. Find all zeros of polynomial. Okay, find all zeros of the polynomial x to the power 4 minus 3x cube minus 5x square plus 21x minus 14. If the two zeros, x4 minus 3x cube minus 5x square plus 21x minus 14, if the two zeros are root 7 and minus root 7. Okay, so the two zeros are root 7 and minus root 7. So you know about that. This will assume alpha and this will assume beta. So you know that product we will use the x minus alpha and x minus beta. So x minus root 7 into x minus root 7. Okay, minus root 7 and minus root 7. So this will be plus. So a plus b, a minus b, x square minus 7. So we will divide. What is the concept of this question? See, don't see only the solution. Why we are dividing? What is the motive? This is the polynomial having degree 4. So it means they are having 4 zeros. So two zeros are given. Root 7 minus root 7. With the help of this product, we found x minus root 7 x plus root 7 x square minus 7. By dividing this one, we will get the quotient and factorize it and find out the remaining zeros. Okay, very important question. We need to divide by this one. We will find out the quotient. Quotient will factorize and we will find out the another zeros because 4 degree. Okay, I think it is very easy for you. Long division. We will write here x to the power 2 to eliminate x4. So it is x4. X minus 7x square. Listen student, don't write here. You write at the bottom of this x square because x square ke niche x square. So this will be minus 7x square. Not here because they cannot be subtracted. Degrees are different. So x4 x4. So minus plus signs will be changed. Then this will be minus 3x cube and now 7. See, here you should be care about calculation. Generally students commit the mistake here. Minus plus 5. 5 is the 7 is a bigger. So 7 minus 5 plus 2 x square. This is as it is 21x minus 14. Now we have to remove this one. Okay, इसको remove करने के लिए we'll multiply by 3x because 3x into x square minus 3x cube, and we are intentionally taking the negative sign to make it negative. Otherwise the positive again it will be added. So we are taking the same sign. Likewise here x2 x4. We took the plus x2. Okay, now we are taking minus, and minus 3 7 ja 21x. So x means we will write here minus minus plus. So we will write below this 21x. The exponent should be same, power should be same. Minus minus plus plus minus. So this will be cancelled. So 2x square plus minus 14. Okay, why? Because this will also cancel. Now we will multiply by, yes students, you also tell me, because you are doing the revision, by 2. Okay, because x square is already here, so plus 2. 2x square, 2 7 ja 14. So now they are same, minus minus plus, our division is complete, remainder is 0. So quotient is x square minus 3x plus 2. Now see, x square minus 3x plus 2. So I can, by the middle term splitting, you can solve it by the middle term splitting fast. Okay, very good. Yes, and you? Yes, very good. X minus 2, x minus 1. Okay, visible? You can verify x minus 2, x minus 1. So the remaining zeros are 2 and 1. Okay, so here the two zeros are already given in the question, root 7, and in the answer you have to write that all zeros are minus root 7, 2 and 1. Root 7 minus root 7, 2 and 1, because it's having the 4 degree, so it is 4 zeros. Now concentrate on the next question, number 11. Okay, see the next question, number 11. Divide the polynomial 2x4 minus 9x cube. 2x4 minus 9x cube plus 5x square minus 3. 2x4 9x cube minus 5x square minus 3 by x square minus 4x minus 1. Okay, and verify the division algorithm. See the polynomial 2x4 minus 9x cube plus 5x square minus 3 divided by x square minus 4x minus 1, and verify the division algorithm. You know about the division algorithm? Same process we will use for the division. Okay, now you are perfect. I think do it fast. 2x square, 2x4, because we want to eliminate this one. 2x4, 2 4 ja 8, 8x cube. So it will be minus 8x cube, 2 4 ja 8. Okay, now 2 minus 2x square by 1 will be minus 2x square. So minus, this minus plus, sign will be changed. This is cancelled. Now 9 is bigger, so it should be minus x cube. 9 में से 8 गया 1, तो 1x cube कौन सा माइनस वाला. Now this minus will not consider. 5 plus 2, it will be 7 square minus 3. Okay, now listen, we want to make it the minus x cube. So x minus x cube minus plus 4x square and minus x. Listen properly. Minus x cube. Now x into minus 4x plus 4x square and minus plus x. So this will be minus plus x. Now it will be cancelled, and this is 3x square minus x minus 3. Why minus? Because minus 3 minus x. So sign will be changed. Now we will multiply by 3. Okay, we can take the plus 3 because 3 into x square, 3x square. Now 3 4 ja 12x. 3 4 ja 12x minus and minus 3. Sign will be changed. 12x minus x, 11x, and minus minus cancel. Now see, now we can't divide, we should stop the division. Okay, visible here 11x. Reflection तो नहीं आ रहा बच्चों. 11x means degree of this divisor is less. Degree of this remainder is less than the degree of this divisor. Now we will stop the division. इसकी डिग्री x से 1 है, इसकी डिग्री 2 है, तो we can't divide further. Now division algorithm. What is the division algorithm? Division algorithm is what? If px is equal to gx into qx plus rx. Px is equal to gx into qx plus rx. If you are considering, this is px gx into qx plus rx. Likewise this, see, you are dividing this 3 3 ja 9, it is coming 1, so you can verify the division algorithm. 10 is equal to 3 into 3 plus 1. We are verifying. Division algorithm is nothing but the simple division process you learn in the lower classes. You learn the lower classes division process. 3, okay, 10 divided by 3, 3 3 ja 9, for example. So 10 can be written as 3 into 3 plus 1. So 3 3 ja 9 plus 1, it is verified. So you can put the all values here and you can verify this. Put here in place of px. Okay, now let us do this one. Px is equal to gx into qx plus rx. So we can write here px. Okay, now in place of px we will put what? 2x4 minus 9x cube plus 5x square minus 3 is equal to gx into qx, that is x square minus 4x minus 1 into your quotient, okay, and plus remainder. Here you will write quotient. So if you multiply this all RHS, it should become LHS if your division is correct. You will multiply this RHS, this into this plus, and okay, definitely you will get this one. So you verify your division algorithm, only the multiplication process required properly. Take care about the calculations. Now see the next question, 12. What must be added to x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3 so that it is divisible by x square minus 2. हम इसमें क्या ऐड करें? x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3 में क्या ऐड करेंगे इससे completely divide हो जाए. Okay, likewise this, suppose I am taking this one, 7 2 ja 14 for example, visible. So 7 2 ja 14, listen, the very easy way. So it is 2. What should be added in the 16 so that it divide by the completely divide by the 7? What should be added? हाँ, subtract करने पे तो easy है, we should subtract 2. So 14 can be divisible by 7. But what should be added? Added में हम क्या करेंगे? Listen, we will write the remainder in negative form. What should be added? 16 plus minus 2. Clear? What should be added in the 16? We are adding. Okay, it is very interesting to see. We are adding. We are not subtracting. We are adding. What we are adding? Minus 2. So our answer is minus 2. So likewise, in algebraic expression, first we will divide this one. What should be added? So first we should divide this one. So it will be x, okay, x square, x cube, x into 2x. So we write here minus 2x, isn't it? We are taking the x into x square, x cube, x into 2 minus 2x. We write below the x, same. Now it is cancel. This is minus 3x square minus minus plus. So it will be 7x minus 3. Now we will multiply by minus 3. Minus 3x square 3x square plus 6 because 3 to the 6 minus minus plus now 7x. This is minus, so minus 3 minus 6 will be added but the sign will be minus. So what should be the answer? Answer will be minus of the 7x minus 9. Why? Because we want to subtract but indirectly we are taking as an addition minus. So this will be the answer. So answer can be written as this. Okay, now see the next question. Question number 13. Concentrate the 13 question. 13 question is that if the zeros of the polynomial x cube minus 12x square plus 39x minus 28 are a minus b, a and a plus b. Okay, find the value of a and b. So these are the zeros. Means you learn about the cubic polynomial जो अपने NCERT में भी किया है. The example is given. You go through that the cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial का rule क्या है देखिए. Alpha, we'll consider this is alpha and this is beta and this is gamma. So what is the sum? Alpha plus beta plus gamma. Okay, ax cube, bx square, cx and d. So it will be minus b upon a. So alpha means a minus b plus a plus a plus b minus b. We'll compare this equation by ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Okay, so minus b. b क्या है हमारा? b is the coefficient of x square minus minus 12. a is 1 coefficient of x cube. So this will be cancelled. So 3a will be 12. So a will be 4. Okay, a is 4. Now for the b we will take the product. Product is alpha, beta, gamma minus b upon a. Now b upon a. Okay, you should know minus b plus minus b upon a. And for d upon a we will take the d minus d upon a. What is d? 28. So minus 28 upon a is 1. So it is 28 product. So product is what? A minus b, a into a plus b. So this will be a square minus b square into a is equal to 28. So in place of a we will write the value 4. Okay, 4 square minus b square into 4 is equal to 28. So 4 square means 16 minus b square. 4 will be here 7. Okay, so b square will be 9. Finally the b square will be 9. We are coming here 16. Okay, किसका square है? 4 का. So we shifted here 16 minus 7 9. So b will be plus minus 3. So value of a is 4 and value of b is plus minus 3. You can, if the question is that the find the zeros, so you can put the value of a and b here. Okay, you can put the value of a and b here. First you will take the 4, then all positive, minus 3, 4, 4 plus 3. Okay, 4 minus 3, then 4, 4 plus 3, 1, 4, 7. And if you take the negative, it will become 7, 4, 1. Okay, take the values of a and b. Now see the last question, question number 14. Question number 14 is very important and competitive question. The sum of the square of x square minus 8x plus a. Sum of the square of this number square of zeros is 40. Okay, sum of the squares of the zeros is 40. Then find the value of a. ये competitive question है. Came in a lot of examinations also. Basics level of the CAT and SSC also. sum of the squares of the zeros. The sum of the square means what? As alpha square and beta square is 40. So we can't use directly the alpha beta, and you know about the one important relation that we can deduce by the identity a plus b whole square is alpha square beta square plus 2 alpha beta. Okay, visible? Alpha beta whole square क्या होता है? This one. So can we write here the alpha square beta square is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Can we take the alpha square beta square? 2 alpha beta will be shifted here. Sum minus. So can we take this one alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta is equal to 40. Alpha plus beta, you know the sum is minus b upon a. Okay, alpha beta is c by a. You know about the polynomial. For the quadratic polynomial, sum is minus b by a and product is c by a. We compare this ax square bx plus c. Okay, we compare this one by the ax square plus bx plus c. So a is 1, b is minus 8, c is a. Okay, clear? Now in place of b by minus b by means minus 8. Minus 8 upon 1. Minus 2 into c by a. c means a by a. c हमारा क्या है? a. और यहाँ हमारा a क्या है? This one for this question is coefficient is 1. 40. So we'll calculate this one. Oh, this will come the 64 positive. Okay, minus 2a is equal to 40. So this will be 64 will be here. So 2a is equal to 24. A is equal to 12. So answer will be 12. So see it properly. This was a polynomial. Now very soon we will start the next segment test. But before this one, I want to introduce the new CBSE policy in the next video. You please must watch that CBSE new policy for the 2-level board examination for 2020. Thank you.